participation is presented to Sean Joshua O. Lipon. Okay, we will now start from the winner. Certificate of recognition is presented to Elvis Gia Mascual, top senior. Sige nga ni Mr. Elvis, ato ka nistima ko pa. Okay. Ikatalaan. Top lady, Miss Ainisa D. Riandino. Ainisa? Okay, for your brother. Ainisa, Adi Ashton. Same certificate of recognition is awarded to Jen Maria Angela A. Quintana, top kid girl. Congratulations. To receive cash, 100 pesos, gold medal, and certificate.